Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix contact card not working issue on iOS 17. So guys, contact card is a new feature which has come with iOS 17 update. But many iOS 17 users are complaining about that the contact card is not working properly and they on their iPhone and they don't know how to fix this. If you are also facing this type of issue and looking for a fix, so you are in the right video. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this contact card not working issue. So guys, first of all you have to do is simply restart your iPhone device. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches. So you have to open your settings, go back, go to your general, tap on shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After this, then you have to do is make sure that the iOS 17 is installed on your iPhone. If it's installed, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple frequently release updates to address bugs and improve overall performance. So you have to scroll up and open your software update to check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your date and time settings. Ensure that your date and time settings are accurate. Go to your settings, go to date and time, and make sure that your time zone is set correctly. Or you can set to automatic, or you can simply set automatically enable. After this, then you have to do is check for app update. If you are using any third party contact app, ensure that it is updated to the latest version from the App Store. So guys, after this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is sign out and sign back into iCloud. You have to open your settings, go to your go to your Apple ID, scroll down and tap on sign out, enter your passcode and simply sign out and then sign back in. So guys, after trying this all solution and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is reset all settings. If the issue persists, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings to their default. So you have to open your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.